Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sling TV on LG TV step by step clearly. Start your LG TV and ensure it is connected to the internet. Navigate to the LG Content Store from your home screen. In the LG Content Store, search for the Sling TV app using the search bar. Select the Sling TV app from the search results. Click the Install button to download and install the app on your LG TV. Once the installation is complete, open the Sling TV app. You will be presented with a login screen or an option to create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are a new user, follow the prompts to create a new Sling TV account. After logging in, you will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Grab your smartphone or computer and visit the Sling TV activation website. Enter the activation code you see on your LG TV into the designated field on the website. Click the Submit button to proceed with the activation process. Once the activation is successful, return to your LG TV. You should see a confirmation message indicating that Sling TV is now activated. You can now browse and enjoy your favorite channels and content on Sling TV. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting guide on the Sling TV website. Happy watching! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.